Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this WAG12 locomotive over here. So we have done few of the things over here with this the pantograph part over here. So we'll be continuing further over here. So a few details which will be covering it up over here. So now what I'll be doing over here is like if it is required, what I can do is like I'll just duplicate this a bit over here. I'll just scale this down like this. Again, I'll make one more copy if required because we cannot see that much of the details over here, but I cannot scale like that way, but I have to because I have no other option for doing the scaling part. So let's go into this top view over here. Let's again take a box over here. So slightly I'll just shift this over here and push this up a bit. In this way. So convert to editable poly, select the polygons, slightly I'll just extrude it and after that I'll just take a line over here and I'll just connect this over here, enabling viewport. So I'll slightly just push it further and I'll just reduce this. So because this is not that details over here what we are going over here, because that are for a different part. So whatever details we can see from here will just generate those details. So we have few things left over here. Now over here what I'll be doing is like I'll just take again a swift loop over here. I'll just take a swift loop. I'll select this polygons, insert it, and slightly extrude it inside. Again, take a swift loop, select this, slightly just shuffle it, just push this area a bit out, can be done in that way. Alright. After that, just check out the few of the details over here. If required, we can just take that. I can slightly go over here I can put some loops and just put some loops over here. And what I'll be doing over here is like, I'll be just connecting this because this is a back part, so definitely we require this coupling over here. So I'll just select this few of the things which are required over here. We'll just select this few of the things which are required. So we'll just select this all the stuff over here. Okay, this much is okay. Then I'll just mirror it, copy it in x-axis, and I'll just put it over here. So now what I can do over here is like, after putting this stuff, I can just take a copy of it, and let's just keep it in this way. Alright, so once you are done, select this whole thing, shift it in this way, and now if you look at the reference over here, let's just open up a reference. So there are a few things which will model over here. Alright, so just select this and just copy it, the whole, and place it over here. Okay, so this part will go over here. So what I'll do over here is like, I want to make this part a bit down, so I'll just shuffle this and this a bit down. Alright, so you can make this part down in this way and slightly rotate it up. That's it. Now looks much better. So there are few details over here. If you look at it closely, oops, okay. So this part. So we are talking about only this part over here. I'll just select this and I'll just shuffle this further over here. So if you don't need this, what I can do over here is like, I'll just delete all of this. I can definitely join this if required. And if you delete this, again you can just go over here, select this edges, ring it and delete this. So select this border and I'll just cap it. Much better now. So now you can just go over here and just add a cut. Cannot put a cut over here. Oops. So we need to So what I'm doing over here is like I'm just assigning a cut from the other end because I feel this is a better way to alright. So I'll just assign a cut over here. Just save your file. The few details which we can see over here, we'll be doing that. Whatever details I can see, I'll just activate this auto grid over here. Convert to poly, select the polygons, give a bit of inset, extrude it slightly and just take a line tool over here, go over here, make it rectangular and increase its length. Select this, duplicate it. So definitely you can just join something, valves over here. You can so just select this, make it as a radial. So I'll just shuffle this, convert to editable poly. Before that, I'll just select this, push it inside, convert to editable poly, select the polygons, extrude it by local normal. and just mirror this, copy it over here. So select this polygons and just delete it. So select the border, cap it, just go over here and just keep it like this. So you can just duplicate this if required, keep it in this way. So that is going to be barely visible over here. So just save your file over here. So definitely we'll make for the one side only. If you want, you can go with the other side also, that's not a problem, but you have to go with all these details again. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So definitely few things are left. We'll start up with the texturing part for this particular locomotive over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So stay tuned for more videos. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.